Assalamualaikum and welcome back again. Let's see what the example for mismatch case. Alladzi nasaru Ahmada. Okay. How do we translate this?
Nasaru is the plural.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they helped Ahmad, right?
Mm.
And if we add alladzi,
Should then alladzi be plural also?
Yeah, but it matches to number and gender, right? It have to match.
yeah, I want to mismatch.
Oh,
I want to
mismatch.
make
Okay.
a mismatch
Yeah.
case.
Mm-hmm.
We oh, okay. Okay, we should remove Ahmad maybe. So to make it easy. And then Al-Lazi means
The one.
One, they helped.
the one who is this make sense?
Good.
No? Does this make sense in English? The one who they help. Okay, I help maybe. Meaning the one who I help what? Is someone who I help. So if I help Sister Salma, then Sister Salma is the one who I help. Does that make sense? Yeah.
So in this case, the pronoun is come back, right?
Yeah, right. It is mismatch first. Hana.
Okay.
So this is mismatch case. Okay. When you have case, the it. Okay. Nasartuhu, right, sister?
Yeah, because alladhi.
Mm-hmm. We use who because the aid should match with the Ism Mowsool, yeah?
Mhm.
Because alladhi is huwa.
Here match only the number and gender, right?
Oh yeah, okay. Should match in number and gender. Oh. Alladhi is 1M who is 1M. Okay. Maybe Sister Sarwat don't know. We continue. Let's tell her. Sister, we are continue. We continue. Okay. More example. Alladzina allamahum. Right? Alladzina allamahum. Meaning those who I teach. No, I taught.
It should be he.
Which one?
Allama is not the huwa thing.
Yeah, allama huwa. And then?
I mean, you have written I taught. Is this allama?
Thank you. Those who he taught. Oh, yes. Alladzina is 3M. Whom is 3M as well. So my question, can we say allamakum like this? That's
Oh.
does it make sense, yeah?
Because gender, there is alladina is and kum.
Yeah, both are the same. 3M. Kum 3M,
Mm-hmm.
not 3M, but you know the thing like first person, third person that should match. Alladina is third person
Mm-hmm.
and kum is second. So
Yeah.
mismatch.
Mm.
Okay. So we should add alladhi is one and third. Okay. Also third. Okay. Boom.
Mm.
3M. Okay. And then alamakum um, kum second ya. Alladina is 3M third person, kum is 3M second person. Both are mismatched. So kum cannot be it. Is this correct?
So it's allavina allamahum. So allamahum is those who they thought or he, whom, there is a whom. It's plural, right?
This one?
Yeah.
Alladina is those who, and then
Mm-hmm. He, and this is why he.
yeah, because allama huwa allama.
Oh, okay, okay. So
Yeah.
it is not translated, right? Yeah.
Oh yeah, I missed the very important point.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we should add here. It, how to say it does not.
Yeah.
Translated. Just like this.
It is not translated, right? You are meaning the it is not translated. Yeah.
Yeah. Fine. There's not
Doesn't
translated
translate.
in English. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Because sometimes in my
It should be is not translated.
it's not okay.
Is not translated.
Thank you. Okay. It is not translated. Oh, sorry. In English. Yeah. Because sometimes in my language, we translate the it.
Oh,
Especially
okay. Mm.
like here, this one.
Mm.
Alladhi nasartuhu. We say in Indonesia,
Mm-hmm.
the one that I taught him. We said like that in Indonesia. Yeah. Sometimes, but sometimes we don't.
Mm-hmm.
Both are mismatched, so kum cannot be it. Okay. what else about the a'id?
So there is another thing. So I just remember when ayat is mentioned, there is openness and restricted like that.
Correct. This is going to be, should we have separate column or table? I think we should. I have this. Oh, glad that I remember. Advanced Nahu. Only this? Oh no. This is not good enough. I don't like it. But this is quite. Should we read this? Okay. Mismatch Ism Mowsool wa Silatul Mowsool. Alladhi takhtalifuna. So alladhi singular third person. Takhtalifuna plural second person. This is mismatch. The thing that you all differs. This is the same thing, mismatch. The one that you all run away from. Translating the ayah. Ism Mowsool. Sometimes you have Ism Mowsool and you don't have a matching pronoun afterward. What does this mean?
What means Silatul Mawsool? I don't know.
In the Silatuhu Mowsool. And Ism Mowsool always third person. We should add. Sorry. Okay, al-a'id. Alladhi qultuhu. Or alladhi qultu becomes alladhi qultuhu. The missing pronoun of the Ism Mowsool is brought back and put right after the fi'il. It can be by itself as a maf'ul bihi or with harf jar. It means the thing that's come back. This is better. Qultuhu, I said it. Alladhi qultuhu, that which I said. You don't have to translate it. More example. Those who I thought. Because it mismatch, we expect the a'id. Alladhina allamtu. So the expectation should be alladhina allamtuhum. Alladhina allamtuhum is natural in Arabic, but it is weird in English. Yeah, those who I taught them, that's weird. Because the English doesn't care about the a'id, but the Arab does. A'id happens when you have mismatch. Then you think about what pronoun was inside the Ism Mowsool, and then you bring that pronoun back. Where to put a'id? Some fi'il are married to a harf. Ja'a means he back. Ja'a with the harf jar means he brought. Those who I brought. Alladzina ja'ahum. This is wrong. Alladzi ja'a bi him, something, something.
I think you have misprinted it. Ja means he came.
Yeah, he came, correct. I should. Okay. Okay. This is also yellow. Can I change the color? I hope I have the word version. Okay. Oh, scary look in the Microsoft Word. That's why he came. So this is alladzina ja'a bi alladzina ja'a bihim. This is the correct way. When an a'id, we need an a'id when we have mismatch. Oh, too big. The pronoun that you understand from the Ism Mowsool is going to make a comeback right afterwards or later on as a part of harf jar. Okay, the same thing. Ibham. Man, whoever or who. I don't know who did this. I don't know man did this. I don't know the one who did this. I don't know Allawi did this. Man and Allawi is very close. The difference is Allawi is very specific. Man is more open-ended. Man has ibham or ambiguity, not too clear. The same thing with ma, also has ibham. When the a'id is mentioned, then you are restricting the action to the a'id. But when the a'id is not mentioned, then it's like you are mentioning it in Ism Mowsool, but you don't want to restrict this action to just the Ism Mowsool. Oh, honestly, I cannot understand this. Can you help me?
So there's a two, if there is a choice, right? If I mention to ayat or not ayat. So if there's a mention to ayat, there is a openness, no restricted, and if don't use the ayat, there is openness. But why we use ayat and why not? I'm not clear about that.
Okay, when the a'id is mentioned, then it
is
is
restricted.
if done, then it is openness. Yeah, that sounds, yeah, I got it. Thank you. Here, when the a'id is missing, you create tawassu', vastness. That's all. So the words are ibham and tawassu', right? Ibham and tawassu'. Uh, oh, what's the difference again?
I
Ambiguity.
don't know.
That's the meaning. And then verse. Yeah, what's the difference? Okay, I don't understand this word. Do we have another like synonym for this?
But another things, just I'm talking about the ayat. So there is a two type of, right? One is outside, like mismatch, like alladhi or qalu, like these two similar inside ayat, right? And another is pronoun come back. Is it that
Yeah.
true?
Alladhi and qalu.
Like inside qalu has the huwa form and alladhi also huwa form. This is the one kind of ayat, and another is I just bring back the pronoun. There's a two type, inside or outside, like the task ayat and inside ayat. There's a two type, or just I'm not sure. That's why I'm asking.
I hope there is only one type
Because you know the book, there's a they mention the details and inside. I don't know the what is this talking about.
yeah. Now I remember because Masya Allah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the word Masya Allah can be match or mismatch, but that will be different discussion. Okay, we can discuss that, but can you please help me first? Any synonym for this word?
I am not sure also.
Okay. So because we have two new like words, ilham and tawassu, and why I open this? I think I have another like chart. What chart is that? Ism Mowsool and Silatuhu Mowsool. Ah, this one. Yeah. Ism Mowsool was Silatuhu Mowsool. So we have match, no I expected, and mismatch, I expected. And another two kind of Ism Mowsool using alladhi and sibling create specificity, using ma or man create ambiguity or ibham. Ah, so this is kind of two classes or two groups of Ism Mowsool. One group
My
about
man. Mm-hmm.
one group about match and mismatch, and another group about alladhi and ma. Oh,
Oh.
see? Yeah. Group one, group two, something like that. Now, mismatch, when they are mentioned, it creates restriction. When it is not being mentioned, it creates openness. Tawassu. Oh, now that's clearer. The difference between tawassu and ibham. Ambiguity,
Great.
and openness. That's slightly different. Yeah. Ambiguous means like we're not sure.
Restriction, like?
I think that's different. Okay, let's see here. We have Ism Mowsool. Okay. One, match or mismatch. Question mark, question mark, question mark. And number two, alladhi or ma. Question mark, question mark, question mark. This is two groups of Ism Mowsool. When we talk about alladhi or ma, we talk about what did it say? Of specificity. And or this is talk about restriction or openness. So this is like we look at Ism Mowsool from two different point of view.
Okay.
Yeah. When we talk about openness, we don't talk about ambiguity. That's a different side. Okay. And more, when it is mismatched, it mentioned create restriction. It is not mentioned openness. Nah, ini dia. This is, and then alladhi specific Okay. Let's understand through the example. When I say, I don't understand this. Alladhi qultuhu. Alladhi qultuhu. How to translate this?
Kultu. Alladhi. Kultu means?
I said.
Kultuhu. That one he said? I said kultu. Okay, that one? Oh no.
Okay. We have easier example. So we said Nasara Ahmada. Yeah, we can use alladhi.
Mhm.
That means the one who helped. And then
Mhm.
we have second option, which is man Nasara Ahmada.
Mhm.
Okay. Here, man means whoever.
Mhm.
That's better.
Yeah.
When I said
Mhm.
the one who helped Ahmad.
Mhm.
So we talk about, we know who is this one person. Who is this
Mhm.
person? Yeah. But when I said whoever helped Ahmad, we don't know which one. It could be someone
Mhm.
from anywhere. Yeah.
Mhm.
So more ambiguous. This is more specific.
Mhm.
Yeah. Example is really helpful to understand the concept.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now Aid. We remove Ahmad. Okay. Here we remove Ahmad. Alladhi nasartu. Who? Because if this is mismatch.
Mhm.
And also alladhi nasartu. Without the aid.
Mhm.
The meaning will the same. The one who I help.
Is the second one is also allazi, or it is ma?
Sorry?
Okay. Allazi nasartu. I mean, we don't need a who, but
We don't need who? The one I help? Like this?
I'm asking.
I don't know. What that makes sense in English? I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I mean, the other one has nasartuhu, and the second one is nasaratu. So, what is the difference?
The difference. The first one has aid.
Yes.
Who aid? Yeah. So, but here we don't have aid. But
We don't need. I mean, it's not necessary to use an I.
Actually, when we have mismatch case, because alladhi nasartu is mismatch, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when we have mismatch cases, we expect the aid
Okay.
to appear. Yeah.
Okay.
But it can be without aid.
Okay. I mean, the meaning will be the same.
The meaning will be the same, but there is something different between these two.